Stevie,
Yes?
it's me again.
Oh,
What's up?
where you been?
Where I've been. I want to know, what do you do? What exercise routine you
well,
do to keep in such great shape?
Well, I forget. Yeah, I forgot to exercise. That's what it was. Instead of exercising, I eat 3 or 4 extra times a day.
You're going to have a heart attack in a...
I hope not.
Hello?
Yeah, hello?
Hey, Rubberneck.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Hi, group. My name's Jessica. Can I see your pen?
Hello, Steve. I'd like to talk a little bit about Jung's theory of the mass collective unconscious.
Oh, Jung's theory of the collective unconscious.
No, the mass collective unconscious. Now, in his theory, he stated that...
That's certainly what Mr. Jung said.
Hi, I'm curious about something. I've just been watching your show a little bit, and you take so much abuse, and what I'm wondering is, what do you get out of this? Why do you keep doing this?
I don't know, but when I stopped doing it, now follow me carefully. When I stopped doing it for 3 or 4 months, I need to do it.
But why?
No. The show is not based on abuse, although that's a big part of it. I'm not seeking out abuse. Whatever we get, we get.
I know,
but I've had wonderful experiences here in the many years I've done this show. We've had some good guests. I've gotten laid from this show.
Okay, there's got to be some reason for it.
Well, plus the fact that I have a good time. I enjoy it. Generally, I enjoy it. When it gets 100% assholes, I keep saying to myself, well, but tonight's show was, you know, only 25% assholes.
Well, I guess you give people an opportunity to express anger or rage or whatever
Well,
they
yeah,
have to do.
I mean, you know, they could be out beating up people, raping, plundering, murdering.
Yeah, and
So I think the city owes me a lot of money for keeping the crime rate down. I am the guy who's kept the crime rate down.
okay. Well, good luck. Bye.